you have something that you can use?
First suit.
Go for it. Beep. Beep. Beep.
Do not
Beep.
breathe.
Beep. 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 Beep.
Should I get
Beep.
further away?
Beep. It flatlined. Here it goes. Ah! Oh, wait, no, not yet. When do I scream?
Oh, you'll see it.
Doctor, the surgery is going as planned.
This bomb is very volatile. I have to find out, make sure there's no hidden wires.
Don't clip the white tape.
Whoever made this bomb packaged it very well. They made sure that their spring device wouldn't go off during shipping. And now I've got to make sure the same thing doesn't happen as I open it up.
I'm just waiting for the box to open and go poof. You can open the polyfill. Eventually, when the tape is cut. Gonna cut the red tape. It's also white. And on blue. Don't cut yourself. Oh. You did it. You did it.
The thing is sprung. I think the timer's going.
Aw.
That was less delightful than I split the bag.
Oh,
Oh.
it's in the bag, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait till the bag is cut. I'm excited. There's multiple?
It's bags. Aw.
But the last one I got was one. How many bags? Two?
Two. Okay. Well,
I love that it's twice the side of the box. How did they fit that?
they,
Open the polyfill. 3,
It's that
2,
looks like.
1. Whoosh. Oh. Look at it go. Look at it go. Okay, move. Just let it go.
I think it's done.
It's too tight.
Less of an explosion, more like when you put the wrong kind of suds in a dishwasher.
Okay, and now you must pack it all into the trash can. Good luck. Oh, look at it. It's still going.
Open up the other one.
That's just one bag. We're still in the first bag. That's a third of it.
half of it.
That's like half of it.
It's still trying to expand on the floor here.
Keep going. Keep going. We're not done. We got more. Look at it come. Look at the floof.
That wasn't so comfortable.
The box is like really expanding. You know, you move the camera away for a second and you go back up and it's slightly bigger.
Yeah, I can see.
Where'd that tote lid go?
It's just slowly coming out. What are you looking for?
The tote lid that people keep on stealing from the...
It's not in there?
No, it's probably on the floor over here from when I was working.
Someone keeps on pulling it out.
Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's like an ever-growing cloud. The camera's not on.
I wish it was in.
Look at it go.
If it were all in one one bag rather than two. It's so fluffy.
It's so fluffy! Very well lit polyfill. And the scientist puts his glasses back on.
Yeah, it's all over my face.
It's in the everything.
That's what she said.
The polyfill is in the everything.
Okay.
So when do you open the other bag?
When this is empty.
Aww. Fill the bucket. Will that all fit in the bucket?
This should.
It looks like snow.
It's
Just look
dry
at this.
snow.
It's dry snow.
The known fact about polyfil. It is a form of dry snow.
It was supposed to snow today.
No, it snowed today. It just snowed inside.
Yeah.
Just pick it up and shower it over your head. It's the clouds.
When they predicted snow, they were predicting the snow that's
Put your back into it, man.
in the boxes in
The Polyfil.
And would open a 20-pound.
Snow. So at what point do we open 6 boxes in the house at once?
When we decide to leave because they kicked us out.
That's how you get.
Aw, why would they kick furries out?
Fill the entire.
Don't answer that.
Fill the entire apartment with polyfil. They just open the door and just.
I really kind of want to just put this in the back of someone's car so that when they open the door, it pulls the box open and rips the bag apart. Just go poof in the back seat.
You have it on a pull string or whatever. And as they open the
Look at
bag.
it grow. It's still coming. I'm like, the bag below it is enough to fill the box.
Yeah. Remember, what I had on the floor was probably just a half or 1/3 of what's in the bag left.
It's still going. It's still going. And like, you're pulling it out of there, and it doesn't even look like it's denting what's in there. It's actually getting bigger.
It's the never-ending gobstopper.
This is why there's duct tape on the top on the lid of the polyfil bin. Just gonna squish it down and spin it sideways, and then snap the lid down. This is why his muscles are like that, because you got to be strong
Yeah.
to work with Cloud.
It's one heavy ass.
Yeah, didn't you know the clouds are made of polyfil?
Another little known fact. It's a little bit of a dark fact, but rainbows are actually full.
It's the blood of clouds that have been ripped apart to get their polyfil stuffing.
Yeah.
They harvest them.
Uh-oh.
No, you broke the polyfil bin?
Nope. It still works.
You sure?
Yeah. It's gonna be
Does it still have the horrible drawing on top?
the adorable drawing.
It's
No fact.
it's telephone with polyfil.
Did you just assume I'm poly? Can we draw some more characters on here?
Draw them on the side. My cringy bucket of polyfil.
You need a whole bunch of characters
You
that
just-
are all in love with each other, you know.
So,
Polyamorous relationship
to finish this, you need to close that box now.
filled with poly.
And then just climb in with it. Okay, John, pack them up. Come on, John. Pack them up. John.
Me too.
Bye. He's now one with the foam. Okay, come pack them up. Close the box. Bye, Joe.
And where are we shipping him?
You can put the printing label on my ass.
You can put some more polyfil in there to make sure.
Okay.
This is nice and soft.
Just beat him with it.
Be nice and secure.
Where's the tape?
Can you just
Good.
take a picture of like how my limbs are just falling out of it? And
I've done this already.
just take a quick picture of this
I did.
and just post it as like getting rid of our old remake. Children.
Okay, hon, do me a favor. Grab the packing tape and then, like, close it up now. Just leave one arm hanging out.
It's not really possible.
Sadness. So now you gotta get out without ripping the box. Do you need pushed over? Oh, you're ripping the box.
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Knocked over